CamSur Governor Migz Villafuerte has tied the knot with his longtime girlfriend, Miss Universe Philippines 2017, Rachel Peters. Villafuerte and Peters exchanged vows at the Supreme Court before Chief Justice Alexander Gesmundo and Associate Justice Samuel Garlan. The wedding was attended by only their families, led by the governor's dad, CamSur 2nd District Representative El Rey Villafuerte. Peters reveals the date of their civil wedding was a special one. Villafuerte and Peters are expecting their first child.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.